In our country, we don't have sea, we don't have mountains, we don't have wind. The sun is only sometimes. So our energy is based mostly on nuclear power plants. INC Energo was created when Temelín was built. We work with ČEZ. We are the main supplier for maintenance in INC and in electrotechnical at Temelín, and the same is at Dukovany. Both power plants produce approximately 1/3 of all consumption in our country, so it is very important to keep our two nuclear power plants in operation.
Nuclear power plant Temelín has two 1.1 gigawatt blocks. Originally, the generators were protected by static relays. They were very soon replaced by digital relays from one of our competitors. And the customer decided to replace these relays where the support from the manufacturer has been stopped, and they issued a public tender.
And we won this tender, and as a supplier, we had a colleague from Čakovice, and they delivered us protection from cell.
We were delivering the relays via the service company INC Energo. They are one among very few companies that can do this work. There were some specific requirements on the protection relay system. There was also an issue with current transformers that could potentially saturate very fast during the fault. To replace the power equipment is always time demanding, and if everything is working, no one wants to replace anything from the primary side. Our competitors' prices were very high, and they doubt that the relays will work with the currently installed CT. At this point, we contacted SEL. They supported us with some modeling and calculations, and we made the perfect proof, written, signed, supported by all the calculations and curves, that the relay, if properly set, properly connected, will work on this circuit. That was one of the reasons why we were successful with 400G. And we were the only company to provide main and backup 100% stator ground fault relay that used injection principle. With this relay, you work with very low currents. All the calculations and calibration constant must be very precise. And it was working the first attempt. The project consists also on 700G that is used as an automatic synchronizer. There is also RTAC that is used as a data concentrator, and it includes HMI that visualize all the metering values. We were responsible for the panels. We were responsible for the communications to the monitoring system. They replaced the panel, the old one, with the new ones, and we were testing all the circuits together according to schedule without any delays.
When we installed this protection, they tested these protections together, and our people were very satisfied to cooperate with Čakovice.
Our partnership with SEL is absolutely amazing. They have an excellent support for us, for our customers, and that's why we are becoming more and more successful. I have to say that the team we have right now is the best we ever had. We really know what we are doing, and we are confident in our results.